Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're ready to start. Make sure every Apple device uses the same Apple ID, and that handoff is enabled in Settings General or System Settings. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and devices are near each other. Now on the source device, select the text or image and tap Copy, or press CMD+C on a Mac. Do this first so the item enters the local clipboard. This lets Universal Clipboard sync the content to your other nearby Apple devices automatically. Once the content is copied, switch to the target device and open the app where you want it. Then long press and choose Paste on iOS or press CMD+V on Mac OS. If you copied from another Apple device, wait a second. The Universal Clipboard transfers via iCloud in the background. For power users on a Mac, you can run pbcopy to place text into the clipboard or pbpaste to output it in Terminal. These commands help automate or confirm what's stored when a GUI paste doesn't behave as expected. Finish by pasting where needed and, if desired, clear sensitive data by copying a blank space or using Echo NPBcopy on a Mac. If Universal Clipboard doesn't sync, make sure handoff is on, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active, and each device is signed into the same Apple ID, then try again. As a troubleshooting tip, restart both devices or sign out and back into iCloud. This often resolves lingering handoff or iCloud sync issues, so the clipboard starts transferring normally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.